Hi, this is Candace here. So I'm coming to you today with my celery juice. I'm coming to you today with the organic. So I'm still not a fan of the OG, as some will call organic, but that's all I have. So I'm gonna use it, and I figured with me drinking it more and more, maybe I'll like the taste, because I was drinking the other one for months now, and I like the taste. But yeah, I like the taste. It's already cut and washed for my husband, who woke up before me. The organic is so small. This is This is 6 bundles. No, wait, one. This is 7 bundles. That fits in there comfortably. So, this is only 16 ounces. I know, because that's the size of this jar here. So being that the bags are so small, I'm probably gonna have to use, I'm gonna still use 3 bags, but I need 2 of these things filled up. I mean, as long, when you make it long enough, you can eyeball it and know how much of what is what. Yeah, so this is just 16 ounces. Cheers. I don't know where my straw is. You know, Chucky was rolling with me, but I have little people, and they don't allow me to be great. So let me taste it. Yeah, it's not my usual. Yes, this is the OG taste. It's gonna take some getting used to. Thanks for watching. Bye.